Before we jump in, I do earn a referral fee when you use the services and companies I demonstrate in the video, but there is no additional cost to you. I chose them because they're the best in the industry and you're safe with them. Do you want to know how to turn your graphic design skills into a business? Graphic design is an ever-growing industry, with businesses of all sizes recognizing the importance of visually appealing branding and marketing materials. This has created a high demand for skilled graphic designers, making it an attractive career path for creative individuals. In this ultimate step-by-step guide, we will walk you through everything you need to know to launch your business as a freelancer or a limited liability company, LLC. We've got you covered, from setting up your legal structure to marketing your services. Before continuing the video, let's introduce you to Bizee. Bizee is a professional formation service company to file your LLC. It's an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even have a service where they will file your LLC for you without you going through any hassle. The full review of Bizee is also given in the description box down below. Let's continue the video. Step 1. Create a business plan. A business plan is essential in launching a business with minimum investment. It serves as a guide for the startup phase and provides direction for future growth and expansion. It should include business goals, strategies, and financial projections. It acts as a roadmap for your business, providing direction and clarity on how you will start, manage, and grow your company. Step 2. Conduct market research. Market research is essential in understanding the industry's current state and identifying potential growth opportunities, like side hustles for graphic designers. To better understand potential clients' needs, analyze market trends, analyze competition strengths and weaknesses, and gather insights from potential clients. 3. Develop your branding strategy. Your branding strategy encompasses everything from logo design to marketing materials to customer experience. It should align with your target audience's preferences while representing your offering's values. 4. Develop a marketing plan. Your marketing plan should outline how to reach your target audience and promote your business. This can include advertising strategies such as social media, networking events, or collaborations with other businesses. Step 5. Defining your services and pricing. The next thing you need to do is clearly define the services you will offer as a graphic designer. This can include logo design, branding, website design, print materials, social media graphics, and more. Next, consider the value of your time and expertise. As a professional graphic designer, you have acquired specialized skills and knowledge that are valuable assets in this industry. Don't undervalue yourself or your work, set prices that reflect the quality and value of your services. Step 6. Choosing a business structure. Business structure. When registering your business, you'll need to decide what type of business structure best suits your needs. You have 4 main options. Sole proprietorship. This is the simplest business structure, where the business and the owner are legally the same entity. The advantage of this structure is its ease of startup and lower cost. However, the owner is personally liable for all the business's debts. General partnership. If you're going into business with someone else, a general partnership is an option. Each partner shares the profits, losses, and responsibilities, so make sure you're on the same page with your business partner. Corporation. This is a more complex structure involving shareholders, directors, and officers. It's a separate entity from you, providing liability protection, but it's also more expensive to set up and has certain administrative requirements to follow. Limited Liability Company, LLC. This offers the liability protection advantages of a corporation while maintaining the operational simplicity closer to a sole proprietorship or partnership. Your choice of business structure will depend on your specific situation and goals. Many choose to form an LLC because it offers the best of both worlds, protection against personal liability and operational flexibility. Forming an LLC sounds complicated and expensive, but using an entity formation service guides you through the process so you know it was done right. Most popular service is Bizee, renowned for its free service. For just $0 plus state fees, clients can enjoy preparing and filing the articles of organization with a complimentary registered agent service for the first year. This comprehensive package not only ensures top-notch privacy safeguards but also provides excellent value for money. With Bizee, customers can rest assured that their easy, fast, and effective service, allowing them to focus on their business endeavors with confidence. Step 7. Choosing a business name. Getting the perfect business name right is a crucial step in setting up your graphic design business. It will be the first impression potential clients have of your brand and will also play a crucial role in establishing your identity in the market. Therefore, it should accurately reflect your brand, be easy to remember and pronounce, and be available online. Check availability. Before finalizing a name, check its availability on Bizee. This will help with branding consistency across all online channels. Once you have finalized a name, register it with your state as a DBA, doing business as, or LLC. This will protect your business name and ensure no one else can use it in the same industry or location. Step 8. Registering your LLC. Registering your LLC establishes your business as a separate legal entity and provides limited liability protection for your personal assets. In this section, we will guide you through the process of registering your LLC. By forming a legal business entity, you can minimize your liability and take advantage of potential tax savings as well. Now, I'm going to show you how to start an LLC using Bizee, and in the description down below you also find a review of their service. They are one of the best entity formation platforms in the market that charges $0 for their service. Now, let me just show you what types of services Bizee provides to business owners. After arriving on their website, you will see the list of all the services they provide. Under the Start Your Business section, you will see 4 of their key services, which are form an LLC, C Corporation, S Corporation, and Nonprofit. As you can see, there are 3 different packages: Silver, Gold, and Platinum. And the first thing that's worth mentioning is that the state fee does not change. You can see it's $236 in all the packages. Some of the extra services that are included in this package are preparing and filing the articles of organization, unlimited name searches, free registered agent for 1 year, and unlimited phone and email support. Next, the Gold package, which costs $249. And this is the package I highly recommend, with filing EIN, which is a business tax number, Form 2553. It also comes with operating agreement, business bank account, lifetime company alerts, tax consultation, etc. In the next section, Bizee is asking you to provide your LLC name and its designation. After that, they ask you whether you want to get a registered agent through them or not. Getting a registered agent is a legal requirement in order to file an LLC in any state. Bizee is providing registered agent service free for 1 year. And after that, it's $119 per year. Bizee is asking you whether you want to get an EIN or not. In the next section, Bizee will ask you whether you will set up a small U.S. business bank with Bank of America. Then if you want to get a free tax strategy or consultation call with them. In the Bizee dashboard, if you go to Legal and then Licenses and Permits, they can do this research for you and make sure that you have all the proper licenses and permits. After providing all the information, Bizee will be the one handling all the documents and registering your LLC on your behalf, so you won't need to go through any of these hassles. Step 9. Understanding legal and tax considerations. When starting a graphic design business, it is important to consider your new venture's legal and tax implications. While each business structure has legal and tax implications, an LLC offers the best balance between liability protection and simplicity for most small businesses. Setting up an LLC may seem daunting, but it's relatively straightforward with Bizee. Our experts will guide you through the whole process, from choosing the business name to building up articles of organization and other legal documents for your graphics design LLC. In conclusion, forming a limited liability company, LLC, is a great way to protect your interests when start business. Want to make the setup process even simpler? With Bizee, you can easily file your LLC for $0 plus state fees. Both your schedule and your wallet are sure to appreciate it. And no matter what business you choose to start an LLC in, Bizee can help you do so. Make sure to research your business name and make sure it's available in your state. Use our business name search tool for guidance. Bizee has helped over 1 million small business owners. Form your LLC $0 plus state fee. It includes free registered agent service for a full year. Check the link in the description box down below. The full review of Bizee is also given.